Hey there, people of the internet. Today we're going to be talking about 8 basic Linux terminal commands that any standard Linux user should know. Number 1. PWD, or Print Working Directory. This basically shows you what folder that you're in. So if we put PWD in and hit enter, you can see that the current directory I'm in is home, is /home/Joey. Number 2. ls. This basically lists the content of the folder. Now, for those who are familiar with Windows, this is basically the Linux equivalent of dir. And actually, believe it or not, dir works, it's just not as nice or color-coded. But that's basically what it does. It shows you, or lists, what's in the folder, or your current working directory. Number 3. Change directory, or CD. This will allow you to change the directory that you're currently in. So just like before when we talked about print working directory, that's the folder I'm in, or the /home/Joey folder. Now if we wanted to go to a different folder, let's say root, we could do CD// and you'll notice that we changed from the tilde to the slash here. And if we wanted to go to, let's say, the home folder, we could just go home. Or if we wanted to go to a specific one, we could do CD/home/ Joey, and that will take us right there. And each time we do it, so if we do a print working directory, there we go, and we do ls, so that's what's in there. Now watch, if we do CD, we'll go to our root folder, and we'll do it again, print working directory. You can see that we moved to a different folder. Also, if we do an ls, you'll see that the contents of that folder is different because we're in a different folder. And once again, we'll go to home, do a print working directory. See, it's /home this time, and this time we'll do ls. And you'll see it just, again, it's different because it just has the Joey folder in there. There's nothing else. Also note that it'll even color code the different files and folders in your system here. Number 4. So make dir, or make directory. This command will nonetheless make a directory. So if you notice, here's what I have currently listed in my home folder. Now if I wanted to make a folder called, let's say, test, I could go mkdir space test. And now if I do an ls again, you can see that in here there's now a test folder, where before there wasn't. Number 5. removedir, or remove directory. Now, if we wanted to, this will allow you to remove a directory. So before we created the directory test, now we want to remove it. So if we do an ls, you'll see there's our test folder. And we'll do removedir space the name, so test. And we'll do the ls again, and you'll see now it's gone. Because we used the remove command. Number 6. Su, or SU. This command will elevate you to the root user privileges. So this will give you, in a sense, like a God mode in your terminal. So if I do su and enter, it'll ask me for a password. I'll plug in the system and root password. And there you go. Also note that the $sign in front of my prompt has now turned into a hashtag or a £. So standard user will get $sign, root or God mode, if you will get a hashtag like this. And now I have full control over my system. Now when I'm done, I can just type exit, and it will return me to normal user mode. Number 7. Sudo. This command lets you execute one command in God mode, if you will, or as root user. So let me show you for example. If we go to our root folder and we try to make another folder there, you'll see that it says cannot create directory because permission is denied, because I, as a standard user, do not have the ability to access it. But if I do sudo and then the command, so make directory test, it now will execute, because putting sudo in front of it will give it the rights that it needs to do that command. Again, it puts it in like ultimate God mode, and it can create and access whatever it needs to, or whatever command is entered. Also notice that it did, unlike su, it did not change our prompt. It just, still a $sign, no hashtag. Number 8. Clear. This one is probably one of the most simplest of them all. It literally clears your screen. So if you had a bunch of junk on your screen and you wanted to clear it, literally just type clear. When you hit enter, it'll clear out your screen. So there you go, people of the internet. Those are 8 Linux terminal commands that you should probably know if you use Linux. If you like what you saw here today and you want more videos on computers and other STEM-related topics, guess what you can do? You can subscribe to my channel and check out some of the other interesting videos that I have. If you already have, consider supporting the channel. I'm a brave, verified creator, and you can send a tip as small as 1 bat, which is, at its current rate, about 50-60 cents. So, once again, people of the internet, thanks for watching.